Union Minister Narayan Rane was arrested today over his comment on slapping Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray for what he called his ignorance of the year India won independence. Mr. Rane, a BJP leader who joined Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet in July as Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, is the first central minister to be arrested in 20 years. His arrest has become the new flashpoint between allies turned rivals, Sena and BJP. Moving on to the next news, US Central Intelligence Agency Chief William Burns held a secret meeting in Kabul with Taliban co-founder Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar, the Washington Post reported on Tuesday. The Monday meeting, which if confirmed will have been the highest level encounter between the Islamist group and the Biden administration since the militants returned to power, came as efforts to evacuate thousands of people from Taliban-controlled Afghanistan as situation became increasingly urgent. Moving on to the next news, the Congress party, led by Rahul Gandhi, today came down hard on the centre's national monetization pipeline announced yesterday. It said the move was aimed to help 2-3 private players and also countered the BJP's favoured allegation that there had been no development in India under the Congress. Attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government over the monetization plan, Mr. Gandhi said only a few businesses will be left as a result of it and that employment opportunities would decline. Moving on to the next news, Taliban spokesman on Tuesday said the United States should stop evacuating skilled Afghans and warned Western forces against extending the August 31st deadline for airlifts out of the country. The hardlined Islamist group said Americans were taking Afghan experts such as engineers out of Afghanistan. We asked them to stop this process, spokesman Zabiullah Mujahid said at a press conference in Kabul. Moving on to the next news, the BJP distanced itself from Narayan Rane's controversial remarks about slapping Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, but at the same time backed the Union Minister today. While party chief JP Nadda said the minister's arrest was a violation of constitutional values, the state's leader of opposition Devendra Fadnavis spoke of Taliban-like governance.